Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's start the AI tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I'm writing a Python code to generate image from text prompt dynamically without using any API key. And I'm using ChatGPT. So I don't write a single code. Everything will be generated with ChatGPT. I'm creating the dynamic image from the text prompt. So switch over to the ChatGPT. Write a Python code, generate image dynamically from text user input without using AI API key. I want simple and easy code from image pollinations, and this is the prompt I'm giving. Let's enter. And here we got the results of our prompt. Notice that no AI API key required to generate an image with a user text prompt. So first in the library we need to install. Let's copy this one, switch over to Visual Studio. In the terminal, I'm pasting that library I want to install. Installed successfully. Again switch over to the code in ChatGPT. Let's copy this one. Copy this one and paste here. Now I have pasted the code. I have not written a single code. Let's save this file. And notice here the saving file name is generated.png. In our example.py, we don't have any generated.png. So now let's execute Python example.py. Sorry. Enter. Image description. I want to create a Iron Man flying with fire. This is a prompt. Iron Man flying with fire. I want to create an image. Let's enter. And notice here the path generated.png, and here we got the image generated successfully without using any API key. And if you like this video tutorial, please drop your valuable comment in the comment section and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.